Namaste. We all know the miraculous benefits of breath work on body and mind, isn't it? Today I am going to teach you one such effective technique which will not just have benefit on your body and mind but also help you to boost your energy levels. Of course, we all know for breath work the appropriate time is either early morning or in the evening when your stomach is a little empty. But then the second method in particular that I am going to teach you in this episode can be practiced during any time of the day. The first method is called deep relaxation breath work. Now when it comes to deep relaxation breath work, we know first we have to be sure if we are breathing accurately. Now what do I mean by that? Most of us when we breathe in, instead of putting our stomach out and imagining as if we are filling air in, we take our tummy back. And when we breathe out, we tend to put it out. So please place one of your palms on your stomach and see if this rhythm is flowing correctly in the first place. So when you breathe in, as if you're filling something inside, so this has to come out. And then when you breathe out, you're taking it in. Though you're breathing from your nose, your lungs, you are doing that conscious stomach movement. That's very important. When you see little babies, so beautifully we can observe those movements in the stomach, isn't it? Likewise, just ensure that the rhythm is fine. And then do some normal deep breathing. Post that, put your focus on some area in your body where you feel that unrest or uneasiness or pain. For instance, if you have some sort of a stiffness in your neck, consciously put your awareness onto that part of the neck and imagine as if there's a nose in that part of your body. Yes, we have nose here, we breathe in through that, but then in this breathing technique, we imagine as if there is a nose in that specific area where you're putting attention. And you breathe in relaxation and you breathe out all the stress, heaviness, uneasiness or pain that you've been suffering in that area. So you breathe in consciously, putting your absolute focus in that area of disturbance, and you breathe out all the stress and pressure. Now what happens when you put your conscious awareness onto that area of disturbance is magical because energy flows where your attention goes. So when you consciously put your attention to that specific area, there's already amplification of prana or energy there. And the innate ability to heal itself is automatically triggered, initiated. So you can do this on different parts of your body wherever you feel the uneasiness. It could be your stomach, your leg, your eyes, your head. Imagine breathing in relaxation and breathing out all the pain and suffering. And yes, do be a little particular about the posture in which you are sitting down for such relaxation techniques or breath work. It's always ideal that you sit in Sukhasana on the floor. But if you can't do that for some reason, you can also sit down on a chair but keep your legs crossed if possible. Now, the second effective technique is one of my favorites. Here, you not just consciously breathe in and out, but you also include an emotion to heal your energy layers at a deeper level. For instance, if you've been stressed out about something in the past 1 week, imagine that you're breathing in relaxation and you're breathing out all the stress that you have accumulated in the past 1 week. So sit in that relaxed posture, do some deep breathing initially and then focus on that particular emotion that you want to work on. I recommend that you put a list of certain emotions that you want to work on. It could be sadness, anger, dejection, lack of love, frustration, irritability, anxiety, and breathe in the opposite as in the positive. For example, if it's about worry, breathe in joy. Imagine you're filling in joy into every single cell into your body and you're breathing out all the worry, pain and suffering. Do this for about 5 to 10 times. Do it slowly, do not be hasty. Post that, start breathing in and breathing out the positive attribute. For instance, if you're working on stress, initially for 5 to 10 cycles, you were breathing in relaxation and you were breathing out stress. But now you start breathing in relaxation and you start breathing out relaxation as well. You put out relaxation because in the first few cycles, you imagine as if you've released the whole stress that was accumulated in your system. Therefore, there's relaxation outside, there's relaxation inside as well. And you start that momentum going. You see that harmony within and from outside. So with this deep, beautiful relaxation technique, you can start registering the particular information in different parts of your body, or you can just see that wholeness, that harmony in your whole system. My dear friends, breath work is highly effective to bring in that balance between your mind and body. But when you consciously put in certain emotions, intentions, thoughts and instructions along with it, there can be a phenomenal shift in your energy levels. Definitely try this and let me know how you felt. And if you like this information, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also share this with your loved ones. Next time, I'll meet you again with another useful tip on drugless therapy. Until then, please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.